Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal Mamá de 7. En este video les traigo un poquito de todo. Eh, Mi hijo cumplió 15 años y la verdad tratamos de celebrarlo aquí, pero se fue de paseo con sus amigos. Entonces ya no pudimos hacer nada aquí, pero bueno, por lo menos le arreglé la casa y le compré lo que a él no le gusta para comer. Entonces eso es lo que les traigo ahora, un poquito de todo. Estoy muy feliz de brindarles otro video y espero verlos pronto. Familia, casi se me olvida comentar en este video. Les enseño por primera vez a nuestra perrita. Es Pitbull, se llama Lea. Y no les había presentado a Lea, entonces en este video...
My closest friends, my homies, people, I done took care of their whole family. I done took care of everything for them, looked out for them, put them in the game, everything. Turn it on.
Whoa! What's going on? Happy birthday, baby. What are you eating?
What burrito?
What did you order?
All meat burrito.
Ay, ay, ay. That's good. It's a carne asada burrito. Digo, yeah, all meat burrito. What happened? What's going on with your belly? How old are you now?
15.
Wow. That's cool.
You gonna save it for later?
Huh?
Save it for later. You're still gonna.
You gotta eat it all.
Right now?
Yeah. It's okay, you can say it. You can save it for later. We still need to cut the cake. Woo! Let's get wild. Let's get wild. Woo! Nina, everybody's eating, huh? Cool. Lluvia, what's going on? Happy birthday, Chris. Happy birthday, Chris. No, don't do that in the camera, Lluvia. Don't do that. We fixed up here for my son. Like we always do. Manda. He's pulling down my pants. What's going on? You just woke up?
We are in the car. And then
Wow, girly. What's up, guys?
Hi.
What are you eating?
Apple trees. What?
Apple with tahin.
What's that? Where's Nana? Nana.
Hi, Julia. That's the baby. That's the baby right there. That's the baby. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
My baby. My baby.
Me duele. Like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you guys next time. Bye.